my name's Liam. Just completed my Masters last year in a Masters of Energy, specialising in geothermal at the University of Auckland. I found out about the GeoTenerife program and I saw it advertised, I think on Twitter, and that's when I looked more deeply into it and I was quite interested in the program. For the first 2 weeks on part of GeoTenerife, we did a science communication course where we were writing out our weekly experiences. I first looked at my experience on water sustainability of the island, as it's quite a dry, arid landscape with very big water issue problems due to over-exploitation of the water resource. We also did a intense course on how to communicate a live volcanic eruption with data being fed to us, which due to unexpected circumstances it could actually demonstrate it to be quite useful due to La Palma erupting in the weekend, just a week after we did the course. So in week 3 we did some research with Richard Brown from Durham University. Looked and described all the many different pumice faults that had yet to be described to fit in with the known stratigraphy, and to try and close the gaps on what the frequency to help forecast future Plinian eruptions. So in week 4 on the GeoTenerife program, we went into the national park looking at using geophysics research to look at the Fusnia volcano, which erupted in the 1704-1705. Look at the plumbing system on how this eruption, what was feeding this eruption due to the underground magma fluids in the volcano. So in the weekends, GeoTenerife offered excursions. We went whale watching and whale and dolphin watching. Went into a lava cave tube, and actually which we saw what formed the landscape, and how, and it ranged from many things, from just the geology, the amazing geology inside, to actually what the biodiversity of insects and cultural reasons on what these lava tubes were used for. And we went down Teide, took a gondola up and hiked down Teide, seeing the changing diversity of the rocks, how it all changed from many eruptions within the national park. We also went to the winery and we tasted some volcanic wines and looked at how they use the arid volcanic landscape to still be able to grow grapes using the minimal rainfall they have, and how they're actually going forward in the future to become more sustainable. Well, I think the main thing I learnt on GeoTenerife going forward for my future is discovering what I'm really interested in and want to proceed in as a career. I start looking at more on the abstract side of things on how this could relate to further my interest in more energy sustainability. My words of advice for anyone interested in applying for GeoTenerife is, I feel like if you're interested in developing your skills and wanting to have that short experience to find out what you want to go ahead in your future careers, it's an awesome opportunity for anyone in the science field, and from anywhere from geography to geology and sustainability to apply.